Find the front cover. This one. Or this one. And the answer is this one. Find the back cover. This one. Or this one. And the answer is this one. Find the back cover. This one. Or this one. And the answer is this one. Find the book that is upside down. This one. Or this one. And the answer is this one. Find the book that is right side up. This one. Or this one. And the answer is this one. Pick the two words that are the same. The options are a 6B6 and C on. And the answer is a 6 and B6. Pick the two words that are the same. The options are a frog, B think and C think. And the answer is B think and C think. Pick the two words that are the same. The options are a black, B black and C nest. And the answer is a black, B black. Pick the two words that are the same. The options are a when, B fat and C fat. And the answer is B. Fat and C. Fat. Pick the two words that are the same. The options are a nest, B. Mud, and C. Nest. And the answer is a nest and C. Nest. Find the letter A. The options are A, F, G, I, J. And the answer is A. Find the letter O. The options are N, O, P, Q, R. And the answer is O. Find the letter M. The options are K, L, M, N, O. And the answer is M. Find the letter D. The options are A, B, C, D, A. And the answer is D. Find the letter H. The options are D, A, F, G, H. And the answer is H. Pick the lowercase letter that matches C. The options are C, Q. And the answer is C. Pick the lowercase letter that matches P. The options are F, P. And the answer is P. Pick the lowercase letter that matches U. The options are U, N, and the answer is U. Pick the lowercase letter that matches K. The options are K, L, and the answer is K. Pick the lowercase letter that matches W. The options are W, X, and the answer is W. Find one lowercase letter. The options are small a, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital A, and the answer is small a. Find one lowercase letter. The options are capital F, small g, capital H, capital I, capital J, and the answer is small g. Find one lowercase letter. The options are capital K, capital L, small m, capital N, capital O, and the answer is small m. Find one lowercase letter. The options are capital P, capital Q, capital R, small s, capital T, and the answer is small s. Find one lowercase letter. The options are capital U, capital V, capital X, capital W, small y. And the answer is small y. For more English MCQ for Class UKG, log on to our website apni2pathshala.com.